Now, honestly, I try to hold the mail until I have enough interesting mail to do 3 or 4 boxes for a mail call video. But some things are so interesting or so intriguing that I'm kind of like a kid at Christmas time and I want to open it up. This box was no different. Usually I have some idea what's in the box if somebody sent me an email or put a comment down there that says, hey, can I send you such and such? Today, this is a complete 100% surprise. I had no idea it's coming. If he told me about it, I completely forgot, and that's always a possibility too. But this box is heavy and it says fragile on it. Those two things usually don't go together. Of course, I went ahead and opened it because I was curious and I wanted to know what was in it right away. But I'll share with you what's in it because I think you guys will find it interesting. And there's a nice little note in here. Thought this might help for all your videos. Have any questions, let me know. I can show you my setup. Setup? Setup for what? This is signed Curtis from Cypressville Forge. And I don't know if Curtis makes this item for sale or if he just made one for himself and decided to go above and beyond the call and make one for me, but I really appreciate it. This is pretty cool. It's something I've been procrastinating making myself. And what in the heck is it? It is a ribbon burner. This is a forge burner. Ribbon burner forges use blown, so I'll have to put a fan on it. But all these little holes in the burner make lots of little burner jets, and that's a much softer, much gentler flame, much more even heat. Should be ideal for forge welding. Knife makers doing Damascus love ribbon burners. It's got a nice big 2-inch port up here that all the plumbing goes onto, and both gas and air come in through this. Metal body up here, ceramic down here so that this sticks into the forge and is every bit as durable and solid and long lasting as the rest of the inside of the forge, unlike a lot of the metal forge burner tips that eventually just corrode off because they can't stand the heat. This is going to be cool. I've been putting off making one of these things. Now I'm kind of glad I did. But I have to quit putting off building the rest of the forge. The good news is I already have a blower that I picked up just for making a ribbon burner forge. So this is going to be on the short list now, and hopefully in the next month we'll get around to making a ribbon burner forge, figuring out how we're going to hold this burner in. A lot of times you see little angle iron tabs on here so it drops into a receiver on top and just hangs there. Sometimes people just put set screws in and bolt it in. We'll experiment with some things, figure out what we do, and I'll probably send Curtis an email just to see what he has in mind. So Curtis, once again, thank you very much. This is an extremely generous gift. I really appreciate it. If you are making these for sale and you would like to put a link to your website or your contact information down there in the description, by all means go ahead to do that. If you do that, I will pin that comment at the top. So if anybody's looking for that information, look for the very top comment. And it may not happen right away. If Curtis doesn't give us that information right away, it may take a day or two before I get it pinned and put up there. But if that information is available, if he wants people to contact him, it'll be down there in the comment section. If you don't find it in the comment section after a few days, it means he probably isn't looking for people to call him and say, will you make me a ribbon burner? But really, that's all I've got for today. That was just one really cool thing in the mail, and I thought I would share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button down there. Feel free to stick around, watch a few of the other videos, share the videos with your friends, but then by all means, get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.